Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be covering the hip joint. So let's go ahead and get started. There's two different pictures on here, so we're going to start with this one on the bottom. Number one is going to be the acetabulum, and I've covered this in several videos. This is kind of like the glenoid fossa in your scapula, but in the pelvis it's called the acetabulum, and that's where the head of the femur will insert into. Number two is trying to depict right here hyaline cartilage. We kind of talked about hyaline cartilage when we talked about the elbow joint, I'm pretty sure. Number three is called your acetabular fossa. So inside the acetabulum, there's a fossa or a divot that's inside of that. And from there, you're going to have number four, which is the notch, acetabular notch. This yellow thing right here, number 8, that's ligamentum teres femoris. That's what it's called. And then number 9 is a stem inside of it in the picture, and that is your artery of the femoral head. Number 5 is called your labrum. It's around the opening of that acetabulum. Then number 10, we talked about this. This is the obturator foramen. I guess 10 is trying to depict, though, that there's an artery that goes around this entire thing right here. So coming up to the picture on the top, hyaline cartilage, number 2 right there. Number 5, there's the labrum again. 6 is a fibrous layer, what we have in green, with 7 being the synovial membrane. And I know that we talked about this when it came to the elbow joint. So if you have questions on how the synovial joint all fits together, go back and watch the elbow joint video, and you'll understand more about the synovial joint that's encasing this. We can see 9 again right here, and 9 is a branch from that obturator artery. So this artery will do this big circle, and from there you get the femoral head artery coming off of that. 13, that is the profunda femoris. We talked about this in the femoral triangle picture video. So that profunda brachii comes down off of that external iliac, and you see that it creates this femoral circumflex artery. So you have an anterior and then this posterior part. So I think we covered all of the numbers on this one. Not much else really to cover. Again, there's 8 right there where you can see that ligamentum teres femoris. But like I said, this is it for this video. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nilsson and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.